Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss chapter 12, exercise 12.1, question number 7. You can see this is a question number 7, part 1. Simplify 25 into t power minus 4, 5 power minus 3 into 10 into t power minus 8. Okay, so we know what is the law of exponents. 25, we can write 25 is equal to 5 into 5. Clear? So here you can see 5 to the power 1. This is also 5 to the power n. You know very well, if a to the power m into a to the power n base are same, then power will 8. Okay, so it becomes 8 to the power m plus n. So similarly it's become 5 power 2. It means that 25 is equal to 5 power 2. This is clear. Now you can write 10. What is 10? 10 is equal to 2 into 5. You can write 10 is equal to 2 into 5. This is clear. So this is our given question. You can write here. This is 25. This become 5 power 2 into t power minus 4 divide by 5 power minus 3. 5 power minus 3 into you can write 10. This is equal to 2 into 5 into t power 8. Here you can see t power 8, t power minus 8. This is a case of division. Then if you know very well this identity law of exponents. If a to the power m divided by a to the power n, this is case of division, then their power will subtract. So you can write a to the power m minus n. Clear? So according to this law of exponents, we can write this minus 8. Okay. Also here you can see we write 5 power 2 as it is into 10 power minus 4 plus 8. Clear? T power minus 4 plus 8. Now here you can see 5 power minus 3. Here 5 power nothing but you can say 1. So you can write here 5 power minus 3 plus 1, because here 5 power 1 into 2. This is clear. Now if you simplify this, then you obtain 5 power 2 we write as it is into t power what? You can see here t power minus 4 plus 8. Minus 4 plus 8, it means we obtain t power 4. Minus 4 plus 8. This is equal to t power 4. Okay. So we can write here t power 4 divided by here 5 power minus 3 plus 1. 5 power minus 3 plus 1. This is equal to what? This is equal to 5 power minus 2 into we write 2 as it is. This is clear. Now here you can see 5 power minus 2, 5 power 2 divided by 5 power minus 2. So you know very well this law of exponents we can use there. A power m divided by a power n. This is equal to a to the power m minus n. This is clear. Now so we can write here 5 power 2 minus 5 power minus 2 into t power 4 divided by 2. This is clear. Now you can see here 5 power minus 2 minus 2. This minus this minus this minus this is equal to plus, minus into minus, this is equal to plus. So you can write here 5 power 2 plus 2 into t power 4 divided by 2. This is clear. So you can write here 5 power 2 plus 2. 5 power 2 plus 2, this is equal to nothing but 4. So you can write here 5 power 4. 5 power 4 into t power 4 by 2. Okay, 5 power 4 into t power 4 by 2. This is clear. Now you can write it 5 power 4 means 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 4 times. So 5 into 5 25. Again 25 into 5 125, and again 125 into 5 625. So you can write here 625 into t power 4 divided by 2. Clear? So student, I hope all of you understood this question. This is given 25 into t power minus 4 and 5 power minus 3 into 10 into t power minus 8. Okay, in these questions, first we write 25 is equal to, what we can write? We can write 25 is equal to 5 into 5. It means that 5 power 2. Okay, 25 is equal to 5 power 2. And next, here you can see t power minus 4. Here divided by t power minus 8. So this is case of division and base are same. Then their power will subtract. So we can write here t power minus 4 minus 8, because here this is minus 8 and this is minus 4. Base are same, case of division. So we subtract them. So you can write here minus 4 minus 8. It's become minus 4 plus 8. Here you can see. So minus plus, we write 5 power 2 as it is into t power minus 4 plus 8, because here you can see this is minus and this is again minus. So minus into minus, it become plus. Okay. Now and 10, we can write 10 2 into 5. Clear? We can write 10 2 into 5. So here you can see 5 power minus 3 into 5 power nothing but 1. So this is the case of multiplication. In the case of multiplication, if base are same, then power will add. So here we add their power, 5 power minus 3 and 5 power 1. So it become 5 power minus 3 plus 1 into 2. We write into 2 as it is. This is clear now. And here you can see minus 4 plus 8. Minus 4 plus 8, this become plus 4. So we have t power of 4 now. And we write here 5 power 2 as it is and divide by, here you can see 5 power minus 3 plus 1. It's become minus 2. Into 2 we write as it is. Clear now? Here you can see 5 power 2, 5 power minus 2. This is a case of division. Okay. So if base are same, case of division, then we add their, we subtract their power. So you can see here you write 5 power 2 minus 2 into 3 power 4. So 5 power 2, this is minus, this is also minus. This becomes plus. So we write 5 power 2 plus 2 into 3 power 4 divided by 2. 5 power 2 plus 2, this becomes 5 power 4 into 3 power 4 by 2. We can write 5 power 4 is 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 4 times. 5 multiply itself. So it becomes 625. 5 power 4 is equal to 625. So our solution is 625 into t power 4 by 2. So you can write here, this is given 25 into t power minus 4 divided by 5 power 3, 5 power minus 3 into 10 into t power minus 8 this is equal to 625 3 power 4 by 2. This is our solution. So student, I hope all of you understood these questions. Now we are going to discuss next part, second part of question number 7. What is the second part? Let's see. First we read this. After this we discuss second part of question number 7. Second part of question number 7 is that three power minus 5 into 10 power minus 5 into 125. This is given. Second part of question number 7. 3 power minus 5 into 10 power into 3 power minus 5 into 10 power minus 5 into 125. 10 power minus 5 into 125 divided by 5 power minus 7 into 6 power minus 5. 5 power minus 7 into 6 power minus 5. This is a second part of question number 7. 3 power minus 5 into 10 power minus 5 into 125 divided by 5 power minus 7 into 6 power minus 5. Okay, let's see how to simplify it. So first, we know very well, you can write 125. We can write 125. This is equal to 5 into 5 into 5. You can write it 5 power 3. 125 means 5 power 3. Again, 10. We can write, what is 10? 10 you can write 2 into 5. 2 into 5 is 10. If here you can see 10 power 10 power minus 5. So you can write here 10 power minus 5. So this is equal to, it means that we write 2 into 3 power minus 5. 2 into 5 power minus 5. This is equal to nothing but 2 power minus 5 into 5 power minus 5. Clear? Okay. Now, you know very well, a to the power a into b power m. This is equal to a to the power m into b to the power m. This is clear? Now, what you can write 6? 6 is equal to, you can write 2 into 3. This is 6, but here 6 power minus 5. So 6 power minus 5. This is 6 power minus 5. This is equal to, you can write 2 into 3 power minus 5. 2 into 3 power minus 5. So this is equal to, according to this law of exponent, you can write 2 power minus 5 into 3 power minus 5. This is clear? So I hope all of you understood this part. This is the important part to solve these questions, and you know very well this law of exponents. If a power m divided by a power n, this is equal to nothing but, you can say, a power m minus n. This is clear? And another law of exponent, a power m into a power n, this is equal to nothing but a power m plus n. Clear? Now, so we are going to solve these questions, and we discuss all component, all part of this question related. Okay, so first we start from here. Now, so let's see. Here you can write, this is 3 power 5. We write as it is 3 power minus 5 into 10 power minus 5. So 10 power minus 5, if we convert it to power minus 5, 2 power minus 5 into 5 power minus 5 into 125. 125 you can write, this is equal to 5 power 3. This is equal to 5 power 3 divided by 5 power 7. You can write here 5 power 7. into 6 power minus 5. What we can write 6 power minus 5? We can write 6 power minus 5 is equal to 2 power minus 5 into 3 power minus 5, because we explain here as what we can write 6 power minus 5. So we can write 6 power minus 5 is equal to 2 power minus 5 into 3 power minus 5. So you can see here 2 power minus 5 cancelled by 2 power minus 5. 3 power minus 5 is also cancelled by 3 power minus 5. And here we have 5 power minus 5 into 5 power 3 divided by 5 power minus 7. This is clear. So we have, after the cancellation, 5 power minus 5 into 5 power 3 divided by 5 power minus 7. ठीक है? Okay. Now, so here you can see this is the case of multiplication. The power will same. The power will 8. Okay. So we can write here 5 to the power minus 5 plus 3 divided by 5 power minus 7. This is clear. So this is equal to, you can write 5 power minus 2 by 5 power minus 7. Clear. Here you can see base are same and the case of division, so power will subtract. So we can write here like that 5 power minus 2 minus 7. This is equal to 5 power minus 2 plus 7, or you can write here 5 power 5. Okay, so your answer is 5 power 5. This is clear. Now you can see this is question given, and we can write 3 power 5 as it is, and 10 power minus 5 you can break the 10 2 into 5, so each power minus 5, it means that 2 power minus 5 and 5 power minus 5. So we can break 10 power minus 5 as it is 2 power minus 5 into 5 power minus 5. This is clear. Now 125 means 3 power 5 power 3. 125 means 5 power 3. This is clear. Now, and here you can see 5 power 7 minus 7 you write as it is, and 6 power minus 5. 6 power minus 5 means 6 is equal to 2 into 3. So 6 power minus 5 is equal to 2 power minus 5 into 3 power minus 5. Here you can write as it is. Okay, you can see here 2 power minus 5 into 3 power minus 5. This is clear. Now, so you can see 2 power minus 5 in numerators and 2 power minus 5 in denominator, both are same. So they will cancel. Okay, and now again you can see here 3 power minus 5 and here in the numerator, and 3 power minus 5 in denominator. So both are equal. They are a common factor, so they will cancel. So also here we can cancel it. Okay, now we have 5 power minus 5 into 5 power 3. 5 power minus 5 into 5 power 3 divided by 5 power minus 7. This is clear. Okay. So base are, you can see here this is case of multiplication, base are same, so power will add. So you can write here 5 power minus 5 plus 3, because this is minus and this is plus, so you can write 5 power minus 5 plus 3 and 5 by, and divide by minus 5 power minus 7 we write as it is. So here minus 5 plus 3, this is equal to minus 2. This is clear. Minus 5 power minus 2, and here we have 5 power minus 7. 5 power minus 2 divided by 5 power minus 7. So here you can see this is a case of division. This is a case of division, but base are same. So if base are same and case of division, then their power will be subtracted. So here you subtract according to the law of exponents. So 5 power minus 2 minus 5 power minus 7. So here you can see 5 minus it become plus, minus it become plus. So you can write 5 power minus 2 plus 7. So when you subtract 7 from, when we add minus 2 7 2 minus 2, then we obtain 5. So in this way you can say 5 power 5 is the your solution of the given questions. So I hope all of you understood these questions. Now we are going to discuss next question of this exercise 12.1. So let's see what is the next question of this exercise. And this is the next question, question number 8 of this exercise 12.1. Find x if minus 2 by 3 power minus 13 into 3 by minus 2 power 8 is equal to minus 2 by 3 power minus 2x plus 1. So first we write it as it is, minus 2 by 3 power minus 13 into 3 by minus 2 power 8. This is equal to nothing but we can write minus 2 by 3 power minus 2x plus 1. This is clear? Now here you can see the base minus 2 by 3, but here 3 by minus 2, but here minus 2 by 3. So we need to change this base. Okay, so very well we can write a by b power m. So also you can write b by a power minus m. Okay, a by b power m, this is equal to b by a power minus m. So you can write it, so we can write here minus 2 by 3 power minus 13 into, this becomes minus 2 by 3 power nothing but it will become minus 8. This is equal to what? This is equal to minus 2 by 3 power minus 2x plus 1. Clear? Now here you can see this is the case of multiplication and power are same, then their power is 8. So you know we will like this, a power m into a power n. This is equal to nothing but a power m plus n. Okay, a power m into a power n. This is equal to a power m plus n. So we can write according to this law of exponent, and that minus 2 power by 3 whole power minus 13 plus minus 8. This is equal to minus 2 by 3 whole power minus 2x plus 1. This is clear? Now here you can see minus 13 plus minus 8. So plus into minus, this is equal to minus, plus into minus, this is equal to minus. So you can write here minus 2 by 3 to power minus 13 minus 8. This is equal to minus 2 by 3 to the power minus 2x plus 1. This is clear? Now you know very well, minus 13 minus 8, this is equal to what? Minus 21. Minus 13 minus 2 by 3, this is equal to minus 21, and this is equal to, we can write minus 2 by 3 whole power minus 2x plus 1. Clear? So in this way you can see minus 2 by 3 whole power minus 21 and minus 2 by 3 power minus 2x plus 1. Here you need to find the value of x. This question is given. Okay. So here you can see this law of exponent. If a to the power x is equal to a to the power y. Okay. A to the power x is equal to a to the power y. It means that here you can see this is the case of equality, and base are same, then power is equal. Okay. So this implies that x is equal to y. This implies that x is equal to y, because you can see here a power x is equal to a power y. Base are same, then power is also equals. Okay. Now, so you can write here this implies that here you can see base are same minus 2 by 3 and power is minus 21 and minus 2x plus 1. So if base are same, then power will equal. So you can write here this is equal to minus 21, this is equal to minus 2x plus 1. Okay. So here you can see base are same, then we write power is equal. Okay. So we obtain here minus 21 is equal to minus 2x plus 1. When you transfer this one to left hand side, then it's become minus. So we have minus 21 minus 1. This is equal to minus 2x. Okay. Now, so minus 21 minus 1. This is equal to minus 22. This is equal to minus 22. This is equal to minus 2x. So you can cancel minus minus. So you have 2x is equal to nothing but 22. Okay. X is equal to what? X is equal to 22 by 2. The value of x is equal to 11. Clear? So in this way you can see we find the value of x. This is 11. So first this question is given here minus 2 by 3 into whole power minus 13 into 3 by minus 2 whole power 8 and minus 3 by 2 again whole power minus 2x plus 1. In this question first we write it as it is. After this you can see here the base is minus 2 by 3, this is minus 2 by 3, but this is 3 by minus 2. So first we convert, write its reciprocal, then it will become minus 8. Okay, this will become minus 8. So when you write its reciprocal, then power will be minus. This is clear? We obtain here same base minus 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3. Clear? And the power is minus 3, minus 13 and minus 8. So you know very well if the base are same and case of multiplication, then their power will be added. So here minus 13 plus minus 8. So here you can see my plus into minus. This become minus. So you write here minus. So we have minus 2 by 3 power minus 13 minus 8. Okay, so minus 2 by 3 is equal to in power minus 2x plus 1. So minus 13 minus 8. This is equal to what? Minus 13 minus 8. This is equal to minus 21. Okay. Now, so base is minus 2 by 3 power minus 21. Here in the right hand side, you can see this is equal to minus 2 by 3 power minus 2 x plus 1. So we know that if the base are same, then power is equal. Okay. In the case of equality, you can say this is equal sign and the base are same, then power will equal. So according to this law of exponent, we can write minus 21 is equal to minus 2x plus 1. Okay. Okay. So here minus 21 is equal to minus 2x plus 1. When you transfer this one to left hand side, it become minus. So we have here minus 21 minus 1 is equal to minus 2x. This is clear? Now, so minus 21 minus 1 is equal to minus 22. This is equal to minus 2x. Or you can cancel. Here you can cancel minus into minus. So this becomes 2x is equal to 22. Now, this is equal to 2 is equal to 22. When we transposing these two to right hand side, then it becomes 22 by 2. Yeah. So we write here x is equal to 22 by 2. Clear? Now, so in this way we obtain the value of x is 11. So student, I hope all of you understood these questions, how to solve this. And in this part we use this method. So you can write like that: if a by b power m, this is equal to, you can write b by a power minus a. So don't be confused from these steps. Okay, here a by b is power m, this is equal to, we can write b by a power minus a. So we use here, and after this we follow the following steps and solve and find value of x is equal to 11. So students, I hope all of you understood these questions. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.